Magandang hapon. Ito po yung presentation natin entitled Zogo Cloud Global Supplier of Quality Mining Machines, Zogo Cloud's Power Preview Unveiling Your Future. So ito pong briefing na to ay para sa mga prospects natin at pwede na rin sa mga new members para magkaroon kayo ng bird's eye view kung ano yung ginagawa natin dito sa Zoco, paano tayo kumikita at ano kung meron pa kayong gustong malaman, you are very much welcome to ask questions. So yung mga topics natin na hinanda for today, what is Zoco Cloud, ways to earn in Zoco Cloud, proof of receipts, how to join, and of course, if you have any questions. So let's watch first this company video about Zogo Cloud.
In 2017, the changing cryptocurrency market environment and soaring prices created a huge investment opportunity. Zoker was born out of necessity and quickly became a leader among capital and consortiums seeking high returns and confident in blockchain technology. In Kazakhstan, with cheap electricity and a lax regulatory environment, Zoker set up one of the first cryptocurrency mines and achieved impressive growth. Not content with its initial success, Zoker rapidly scaled its operations, establishing multiple large-scale mines in Russia, Iceland, and Georgia. We have continued to push for upgrades in mining technology and equipment, evolving from the initial CPU mining to the current highly specialized ASIC equipment. These technological evolutions demonstrate Zoker's continuous innovations in computing power, energy efficiency and management methods, which have dramatically improved mining efficiency and pushed forward the development of both itself and blockchain technology. With the solid infrastructure and technological advantage, Zoker has decided to issue its own native cryptocurrency, ZVS, to further solidify its leadership in the blockchain space and provide more investment opportunities for its users. In 2024, as the network hash rate increases, Zoker realizes that it has become more difficult for individual miners to locate blocks, which creates a huge business opportunity for the cloud mining business. By purchasing arithmetic contracts, users can participate in mining without having to purchase actual equipment, significantly lowering the barrier to entry. Although Zoker has a lot of capital, it has little experience in mining online businesses. For this reason, Zoker has acquired several companies with extensive online business experience in blockchain mining. These acquisitions not only brought valuable industry experience, but also introduced a large user base, which helped Zoker's online business grow rapidly and accelerated the ZVS IPO process. Currently, Zoker's online business has been officially.
Okay, so yung nagtatapos yung video natin about Zogo Cloud. So punta na po tayo sa next slide natin. So yung sa video natin, pinapakita doon kung ano ang ginagawa ni Zogo Cloud. What is the business all about? So dito sa slide na to, ipapakita natin kung paano kumikita si Zoco Cloud. Paano tayo kumikita din as members. Ano po yung involvement natin sa Zoco Cloud. So dito sa Zoco Cloud, nag-utilize sila ng mga advanced mining machines para mag-mine ng ZVS coins. Ang ZVS coin is a type of currency. It is a digital currency na dun mo lang siya makikita in the cyberspace, on the online world. Para siyang pera, pero wala siyang physical manifestation like sa pera natin. Now, we could have it in bills, in coins, or in banknotes. Yung pera natin ay ginagawa sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And the production ng money natin would depend on sa wealth ng isang country. Pero dito sa cryptocurrency, hindi yan yung case. Okay? Ang cryptocurrency ay nabubuo siya sa pamamagitan ng pag-mining, crypto mining. Nagsosolve yung mga machines ng mga solve yung mga machines ng mga mahihirap na mga mathematical equations using a superpower equipment. So once na-answer na yon, magge-generate siya ng cryptocurrency. Yung job naman natin as members is we will remotely control the mining machine from our mobile phones or computer para tulungan natin si Zoco Cloud na mag-produce ng ZVS coins to make money. So tayo, nagre-rent lamang tayo. We don't own the machines para maggumastos ng mga maintenance or iba't ibang mga gastusin. Yung trabaho lang natin talaga is remotely controlled it from our mobile phone. So, nagre-rent na tayo ng machines, every day, all we need to do is to claim our machine income. Yun lang talaga. And aside from that, we have all other ways to earn na ipapakita natin dito sa presentation. Yung second naman is profit distribution. So once yung ZVS coins are na-mine na, ibinibenta to sa cryptocurrency exchanges. So si Zoco, nare-receive niya yung portion ng profit from these sales at yung remaining profit is shared among us members. So this profit provides members yung mga income natin. So dito natin nakukuha yung income natin. So hindi tayo dapat mag-alala kung example, yung nag-trading si Zoco online, kasi yung mga cryptocurrencies is pwede siyang gamitin to trade, to pay the bills, yung mga ganon sa market. Cryptocurrency is volatile. So meaning, tataas, bababa yung value niya. So hindi tayo dapat mag-worry. For example, yung value is bumaba. Kasi wala naman tayong directly na participation sa trading. Zoco is the only one doing the trading. Yung job natin is mainly to remotely participate sa mining. So sa mining lang talaga tayo, wala tayong participation sa trading. So whatever we signed up sa contract natin na this particular machine is earning this income per day, yun talaga yung marireceive natin and more. So just in case lang na may mangyayari sa trading online, huwag tayong kabahan kasi Zoco will still pay us with our mining income based on the contract. Okay? So next is ways to earn. So there are 3 ways para tayo mag-earn. Invite members to build your team, rent ng mga machines, so this is machine investments, at mga different task tayo na pwedeng i-complete. So invite members to build your team. Because if you have a strong and robust team, you can achieve your dream. Sign up bonus. Every time mag-invite kayo ng new member, you will get $3.20 as your sign-up bonus. So this is for every member. Kung sign up lang, free registration, $0.20. Pero kung magre-rent na siya ng machine, you will get another $3. So that's a total of $3.20. Next is yung rebates. Paano ba nakukuha yung rebates? Yung machine price nyo, times nyo lang ng 5%, yun yung matatanggap nyo if you have a new member. So let's, for example, yung machine natin na i-rent ng new member natin is beginner's new choice minor. That is priced $80. So, machine price, that's $80 times 5% equals $4. So, aside sa sign-up bonus na 3.20, makakatanggap ka rin ng $4 in addition. This is not limited to new members. If you have existing members, tapos nag-rent ng bagong machines, you will still get the rebates. However, ang rebates is not applicable sa novice minor. So, yun yung minor natin na nagkakahalaga ng $10. Pero, except lang nun, and then yung ibang machines, pwede tayong kumuha ng 5% na rebates. Team commission. So tayo ay nagpa-practice ng 3-tier team commission. Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? If ako yung upline, tapos may bago akong member na na-recruit, ang tawag sa kanya ay first level subordinate. Lahat ng mga machines niya, nag-i-income yan ng daily. May 10% ako nun sa lahat ng machines niya na ni-rent. Pag siya yung first level subordinate ko, ay may